Hi, my name is Prince Bynum. I'm currently enrolled in Nucamp's complete software engineering course. Today, I'm going to be showcasing my portfolio projects that I did in preparation for attempting to graduate with honors. The goal of this project was to be able to showcase everything I've learned to impress potential employers to gain employment as a software engineer, also to gain potential customers as an independent software developer. Um, we'll start by showcasing where I started, which was a simple um, Bootstrap project I used for front end. It was a nice one I used for a colleague who does makeup. I wanted to showcase her skills as well as place to book new clients. This was a great foundation to learn JavaScript and as the animations I use JavaScript and jQuery and things of that nature. I'm familiar with Python, so JavaScript was easier for me than I would anticipate. I guess since I had knowledge with Python when I started in back end. I transitioned over to Staff Draft, which is it's a gamification, if you will, of your business. I'm a career restaurant manager, and I've always used games to motivate my teams and to improve morale and sales and productivity. So the premise of this is fantasy sports style scoring system, but it's an individual game and a team game. So the teams are selected through the draft. Players take turns or captains take turns picking their team. And that's how this is filled up here. Um, if you go to the staff directory, this is where you can see everybody. Click on them and you can kind of see their points and their scores. We go to teams and you can see the players on each team and the total team score. So that's a nice little concept I came up with. Stats is where you would see the team leaders and individual leaders. Score points is where you would submit your scores. It's like bingo. I don't check every score, but if you win, I'll go back and check your points. And this is proof of points is where you would just attach an image of your points as you're scoring them. So if we go to the React Native conversion, I found some different challenges. One was divs aren't a thing in React Native. So using view and scroll view and things of that nature was a challenge for me, but I figured it out just through trial and error. So everyone here has their own individual login to get in, and it connects them to their player profile. Here, when you log in, it takes you to your individual stats. It shows your rank and your total score. On the page at the bottom, you'll see a ticker. This ticker is just information that's important. So here I just put attention bonus week. Knowledge points are double. So that will put emphasis on drafting players you know are knowledgeable. History will show the player's history of all the points they scored and how they came about. When you enter points, is the same as score points here where you would enter. We'll go on through the app. Draft, same thing here. Nice little animations where it slides in. You click on the player, it asks if you want to draft this player. If you hit OK, it will go to the team and the player will disappear here at the bottom. If you go to recap, you'll see the recap of everyone that's been drafted. Go to players, that's where you'll see all the players. Same thing, you click on them and you can see that player's information. Go back and player rankings. This was a big project in itself to be able to map everything out to different leaderboards and filters. So overall leaderboards here, you can go to attendance and see who's the attendance leader, who's the sales leader, so on and so forth. If we go to teams, you'll see the team directory where you can click on the stats of the team and see how that team stats came to be, and as well as their rank. And you can click roster and check out individual stats for people on your roster. If you go to team rankings, it will rank the teams in order of categories. So overall rankings here, go to tools ranking, sales ranking, knowledge, teamwork, so on and so forth. We go to awards. This is where the individual game comes into play. Each individual award goes to the top player in the category. Chat. So this is where Firebase comes into place. Here you can talk smack. I'm the best. And so you click that and it updates here. and we go to study menu. So this is where you would go to help you get your knowledge points up. Everything is categorized, and if you click on it, you see a picture of the item. So filet Perry, see a picture of it, read the description. I can change to different categories. Um, you know, and all the information in this app is dynamic from the server. Nothing is hard coded into the app. Quiz here. So timer starts. What size of Wagyu do we offer? I'll just click some things to demonstrate. What sauce come with prime rib? We'll just click things. What dressing do we not carry? Click here. Timer stops. Results pop up. So you see, there's been added features from the web that I added on the mobile side. So here it shows you results, and you hit finish. It'll log them in here to take you back here. Next, we'll go over the prizes to where different things that you might win. Nice little animation. You can slide through with the swipe, or you can just click next to go to the next one. All these prizes were suggested from everyone playing the game. I'm in the project here, the demonstration here, because I don't want to go over my time, but it's been very fun doing this. I learned a lot, and I can't wait till start my next project.